The state is extending its pandemic health orders tonight and expanding the role on face masks to small children.
Children ages 2 to 4 will have to start wearing them at child care facilities. It goes into effect Monday, April 26, to address the rising COVID cases among kids and requires a good faith effort to comply.
The new order extends the existing mandate for others to wear a mask in public through May 24th. Indoor residential gatherings are still limited to 15 people from no more than 3 households. Bars and restaurants remain at 50% capacity.
The daily count of new COVID cases is back up to almost 9,000 in just the last 24 hours. The state is also reporting 40 more deaths.
The expanded order for toddlers to wear masks is generating debate on our Channel 7 Facebook page. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner is in Macomb County with a closer look at what the new order will and will not do.
These emergency orders extend what was in place for just about everything, including the 50% capacity for bars and restaurants. In other words, they are not being closed for a third time since the start of the pandemic.
We have believed in the past and still believe that it was wrong for them to close the restaurants in the first place. We never saw any data to support the fact that the closures were going to enhance any type of recovery.
He's part of a group that sued the Whitmer administration earlier this year in Macomb County to have the state pay their damages for being closed down. They want a trial in Macomb County with Macomb County jurors. State Attorney General wants their case moved to the Court of Claims, where other suits have been tossed out. The decision on where the case will be held is pending.
We have almost 200 members in the Macomb County Restaurant, Bar, and Banquet Association, and we're unified in our approach. We have believed in before and believe now that the lockdowns were unnecessary and illegal.
The new extended health care order from the state requires kids to wear masks in childcare or at a camp. The actual wording is, a good faith effort is made to ensure that children ages 2 to 4 years wear a mask when participating in gatherings.
I agree with what they're doing with the kids that are 2 to 4. There are ongoing outbreaks in childcare settings. There's 27 new outbreaks this week in childcare settings, along with 79 ongoing outbreaks. And even though we're putting more emphasis in the state, this is part of the CDC's guidelines already in place.
I talked on the phone with several others in the medical field as well as local officials. They're shaking their heads at this requirement for 2 to 4-year-olds to wear masks. In Macomb County, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
All right, Jim, thank you. And